Right, so it's time for Glossybox versus Birchbox. I know I'm a little bit late again. I have been absolutely knackered and I've had no makeup on most days. And I realised I should just come on camera anyway, because then at least if there's makeup in them, I can play with it. I'm going to start with Birchbox just because it confused me. Because I started opening it and I had all this paper and I was like, hang on, you're not Glossybox. That's their thing, that's what they do. Anyway, also the box is pretty and it's got butterflies all over it. And butterflies are cute. Okay, so the little card says spread your wings, which is very nice. So, dun, dun, dun. Is there a theme? Nope, just butterfly spread your wing theme. Okay, so first thing I've got is the item we got to choose, and it is a Lord & Berry lip liner. I went for the shade Vintage Rose, which is a nice deep pink shade that I can definitely see myself using. So the full size of this is £13. I don't think I've ever went for a lip liner in my life, so this will probably still last me for quite a while. And the next item we have is a blusher from Lottie London. I don't think I've really tried any of their stuff. I feel like I bought something to try and then didn't try it, which happens a lot. But this is their Blush Crush in the colour Zane. Oh god, are they named after boy band people? Because the other one could have been Justin. Okay, anyway, so yeah, because Blush Crush, yeah, okay, right, so they're $4.95 and it is just a normal powder blusher, and it's actually got a decent sized mirror. Not that I ever take my blusher with me to touch up, but there you go, it's an option, it's there. And it just says, one sweep of this rosy blush will instantly awaken your complexion. So full size, obviously. If this wasn't full size, it would be massive. But that's a nice colour. I will get some use out of that. It's a good neutral. Right. And next we have a Nourishing Mascara. Volumizing and Lengthening with Almond and Camellia Oil from Botanique Beauty. We had stuff from them before because I recognise the cute little lily pads on the lid, which isn't there in the full size. That's kind of gutting. Well, the full size is £12, and yeah, just says about the Nourishing formula, and says make sure you shimmy the brush back and forth to grip every lash. I can't talk, it's late at night. Make sure you shimmy the brush back and forth to grip every lash from root to tip. You can always use mascara, it will never go to waste. Oh, okay. Next, very good thing for this time of the year is a face sunscreen from the brand Mimitka. The full size for this would be $17.50. I can't quite see what size the full size is, but we've got this little dinky jar. That's actually a really good size. I mean, it's a face sunscreen. It's not meant to be for your whole body, so that's probably going to last. That's going to last quite a while, I think. So that's cool. So it says, not only does this SPF defend against harmful rays, it's chock full of antioxidant vitamin E to deeply hydrate and further protect your skin. The lightweight formula sinks in quickly with a velvety finish, never leaves an unsightly white cast. I'm so pale, I don't think I've ever had that problem, and is free from harmful ingredients. So that's awesome. Does it smell of anything? It does smell of something. Bizarrely, that makes me think of cranes, like the colour in cranes. That's weird. It's not a very strong scent anyway. It's not something you would notice, and it doesn't have like a tropically sunscreeny scent, which is what I was worried about because they're usually coconut based, and I'm not a fan. And then last but not least, we have not a hand cream, but a hand balm. I'm not sure what the difference is. So this is the full size, which is £9.90. It is the Ritual of Sakura, which is a cherry blossom scent, which I love. I've had stuff from it before. Ooh, that's a really nice one. So it says it is formulated with skin softening shea butter and rice milk, as well as beautifully fragrant cherry blossom. And it says it's a handbag friendly tube. I don't think I've ever seen a non-handbag friendly tube of hand cream or balm. Okay, it's maybe a little bit thicker than your average cream. Oh, that's so, I love that scent so much. Okay, yeah, that's made me happy. Oh man. Oh, I like that one. Okay, so a little bit of a mix there of the, I guess the face sunscreen's technically skincare, body care and makeup. So that's quite nice. Let's see what we've got from Glossy Box. In fact, before that, we do have a sneak peek. We're getting more Benefit miniatures next month, and they are not cruelty free. Oh, and there's a competition for a Say Yes To bundle. Cool. Right. Glossy Box feels quite light. Let's see how this goes. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, this was the one with the Barry M palette in it. Okay, I'm glad I kept this to last. Let's see if we have the one I already have. Nope, I got the contour one. Oh well. I might still just, I don't know, buy another one whenever I get around to doing a giveaway. Okay, so that's cool. They've done it to look like a proper fashion magazine. And just while we're on the topic of spoilers for next month, we are getting a try of Avant's Lightweight Primer. Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer Touche Eclat. Okay. Anyway, it says, oh god, £85 for a primer. That's crazy. Right, so let's have a look at the Barry M. So, got this very angular pattern for a contour kit. Now, I'm going to go out on a limb and say that pretty much all of this is going to be too dark and too warm for me. You think? Because that doesn't look very cool grey based. Yeah, that's definitely going to get put to the side. I don't think it's going to work for me, so I'm not going to go in and ruin it so nobody else can use it. So I've got, oh, okay, interesting. So we've had stuff from the brand Mud Masky before in boxes, but this is an after mask serum. So it says, this serum is at the forefront of an up-and-coming beauty trend, the first skincare product in the world specially designed to be used after a face mask. It nourishes your complexion with the vitamins your skin will be craving after an intense clay, charcoal, sheet or peel-off mask treatment. Simply apply a thin layer to your face, god, I've just seen the price, after removing your mask and you'll have soft and smooth skin. This is a full size and it's £43. What's in you? First ingredient, water. Okay. Water, pentylene glycol, Damascena flower water. I don't recognise half these things. Okay. I will definitely give it a try. We will see how that goes. The Barry M palette, by the way, is $7.99. But you know, Glossybox is already blowing Birchbox out of the water on the price front, value front. Okay. Do you know, I was sitting seeing this and thinking, oh, Vaseline, that's something we need samples of because nobody's tried that before. But this is Naturaline. It's 100% natural, 0% petroleum. But they've made the packaging look like Vaseline, which is petroleum. Okay. So it's like castor seed oil, castor oil, carnauba wax, beeswax, only ever 100% naturally derived ingredients for sustainable beauty. And it's made in the UK. Interesting. The brand is Beauty Kitchen. And 2019 is all about sustainable beauty. That would be nice. Says it's more effective and less greasy than petroleum jelly alternatives and moisturises and protects your lips for up to 8 hours, and the packaging is 100% recyclable and made from recycled tin plate. Okay, that's pretty cool. and it's £2.99, so you know it's not breaking the bank to be all world saving, which is cool. I definitely like that. I don't use Vaseline. I don't even think I have a tin in the house right now. I did used to use it, but not as lip balm. It was more one of those things that I kept around when I had a cold and you got that horrible chapped skin around your nose. But you guys didn't need to know that. Next is a very classy looking nail polish from the brand Nailberry, and this is Love Me Tender, and it's meet the next generation of state-of-the-art nail polish. Part of Nailberry's revolutionary Oxygen range, this multi-award winning nail polish uses patented technology to deliver a healthier manicure without compromising on colour quality. It covers your nail with a unique film which allows air and water vapour, you spelled vapour wrong, to pass through it, ensuring your cuticles are protected even while wearing nail polish. This is $14.50, but like I said, that's a really nice colour, isn't it? I mean, can you imagine, okay, so slightly less on the classy side, can you imagine that with like a black French tip? That would be so cool. That would be so, I want to try that once my nails are back to being balanced, because this hand just decided to dye, and yes, I have recently dyed my hair, and therefore dyed my nails. And last but not least, we have a mineral blush in the shade Rose from Annabelle Minerals, and it says mineral makeup is a trend that's here to stay, boasting natural and lightweight ingredients that's not only suitable for all skin types but actually helps heal, soothe and protect your complexion. That's why we love this blush so much. 100% organic, it's formulated with 4 mineral ingredients that help maintain healthy skin, and it is £12.50. I think we might be slightly cheating in saying that there's only 4 ingredients, because there's mica, titanium dioxide in a certain code thing, zinc oxide in a certain code thing, and then iron oxides, plural, and there's 3 of them. So, oh, by the way, do we like the necklace? I've been playing around with making things again. But yeah. That looks like a really nice shade as well. Looks like it'll go quite nicely with the nail polish. That looks like it was planned out. So I'm actually going to give it to Glossybox. I'm sorry, it's got a better variety. The value is insane. I mean, the Barry M one's a bit of a downer. I wanted the other palette, even though I already own it. But the Aftermath Serum, really weird, different, innovative. The Vaseline alternative, pretty cool. And then just the colour on these two, I really like. And yeah, it's just a bit more of a mix, I guess. I am looking forward to trying out the hand cream, which I really like. But yeah, that's the only thing I'm really excited about from the Birchbox one. So, not bad. So if you guys got these, let me know down below what you got. Let me know which one was your favourite. Are you looking forward to the crazy expensive primer next month? That's just still kind of scaring me. That's just not my budget. So yeah, that. So I am going to go because it is late at night and I am waffling on like an idiot. And if you've got any questions or if you want a review on any of these products, leave that down below and I will get back to you. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, all those things that help me out, and I will see you guys later. Bye!